Lions. My name is Ramon Pulido. Welcome back to this week's Lions Roar.
Good morning, Lions. My name is Ernesto Garcia, and I'm here with your daily announcements. This week, we are back at the farm planting sweet potatoes. Now, I'd like to give out an announcement for after the break. After the break, the ATP classroom will be collecting dry pasta and sauce for people who live in motels. Now, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That's all for today, Lions. Stay safe, keep on making good choices, and on behalf of ATP, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Good afternoon, Lions. This is Mrs. Layana. Welcome to the Principal's Perspective. This week we are going to do our monthly fishbowl drawing. This is a fishbowl full of cards for students who had perfect attendance during the month of October or who were caught doing something good or something right by one of their teachers. So let's see who the winner is of this month's drawing. This person had perfect attendance. The name is Isaiah Martinez from the iSierra Online Academy. So Isaiah, come on down. You're going to get a gift card from Target. And if your name was in the fishbowl, and you can see there were a lot of names in there this month, do not despair. You will still get a front of the line pass to either the cafeteria or the bus because everybody's a winner. Super proud of all of you guys. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Hello Lions, this is Ricky Viilescas
and Magdalena Gallardo,
coming to you with ASB events. Today, we are having a egg spoon race during lunch in the quad.
Thank you to everyone who participated with putting your turkeys up on Wednesday. They all looked absolutely amazing. We just want to notify you that we will be having a suggestion box in the library when you first enter on your right-hand side.
ASB will be passing out these birthday tickets that you can redeem at the ASB room for free snacks.
Reminder that we will be having our donations for the Creighton Foster Care. In each of the classrooms you will see this flyer notifying you what you guys are able to donate. Donations are due by the end of the month, and just a reminder that the Academy class who donates the most will receive points.
ASB will be announcing what we are selling on each day as if we're selling hot chocolate or we're selling ramen or anything else that ASB plans to sell in the future.
So make sure to tune in and listen well to our announcements.
Welcome back, Lions. My name is Iz and I'm here with next week's weather. On Monday it will be 74, on Tuesday it will be 70, and on Wednesday it will be 71. On Thursday it will be 77, and on Friday it will be 76. Next week is going to be a nice week for Thanksgiving.
My name is Aisha. Thank you for watching this week's Lions Roar. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow our Instagram at videoproduction.lvls.